On Monday, the U.S. Supreme Court's shadow docket struck again, releasing an unsigned opinion that allows the Trump administration to go forward with orders for the Postal Service to create rules restricting who can send an absentee ballot through the mail. Anya, this started as an executive order last spring. Wisconsin was one of the states that sued to stop it.
The court did not rule on sort of the merits of the executive order themselves. They ruled on the timing of the lawsuit that Wisconsin and other states filed, essentially saying that because the Postal Service rule has not yet been put in place, they can't argue that they have been harmed. Meanwhile, the Postal Service did author and publish the rule that would go into effect as soon as the order is cleared. And so now things go back to a lower court, then they will go back to the Supreme Court, which will eventually, we assume, kind of weigh in on whether the executive branch, the president, is allowed to make such a kind of sweeping change to state elections, which are, according to the Constitution, supposed to be decided by the states.
It's an interesting paradox. So going back to 2020, President Donald Trump has made these false claims about widespread voter fraud that resulted in a stolen election. Part of that, of course, was his railing against mail-in absentee voting, and he said it's just a prime opportunity for fraud to happen. Many of his supporters have bought into that